In this video, we'll do a quick overview of the BIM Project Browser panel. Starting with version 25.2, you can find the project used in this section of this course by clicking on the Sample Drawings button from the Start page. Download the Daedalus project and open it. Go to the Files tab of the BIM Project Browser panel and open the Daedalus 1 drawing file. If you're using an older BricsCAD version, you'll find this project attached to this video. The BIM Project Browser panel offers a central location to manage all files and views in your BIM project. It consists of 4 tabs and a refresh button. The Info tab offers a complete overview of the current project, and it is split up in 6 categories. The Project Admin and Project Control categories contain info about the project itself, such as the name of the project, the database and sheet set to be used by the project. The Sheet Set Custom Properties and the Default Sheet Custom Properties categories hold properties which can be used by the title blocks on sheets. Properties in these categories can be added, edited or deleted by clicking the Custom Properties button at the bottom of the Info tab. Files tab configuration allows you to specify which parts of the project are visible in the Files tab, by defining which folders and file extensions should be hidden. Finally, you can use the Project Folder Names category to specify the naming convention of automatically generated subfolders, like the Sheets folder, when creating sheets. The Sections and Views tab shows a list of all the project sections, grouped by type. To see the sections in this drawing, make sure you unfreeze the BIM section layer. Whether a BIM section entity is considered a project section depends on the section entity's project section property. Views created with the View command will be displayed in this tab as well. When you select a project section, or multiple sections and right-click on them, a context menu will be displayed. For example, you can choose to create sheets for a section or a set of sections. Or you can choose to regenerate the section result and background, without interrupting your workflow. The Sheets tab shows an overview of the sheets in the project and the different generated section results on these sheets. By clicking the plus button, it is possible to add a new subset to the sheet set, or to add new sheets to the sheet set or to the selected subset. You can create a new sheet from scratch, or you can import layouts from existing drawings. You can place sections or 3D views on an active sheet's paper space, by dragging items from the Sections and Views tab and dropping them to that sheet's paper space. When placing a 3D view, right-click before specifying the insertion point to display a context menu that allows you to select the viewport scale. You can also select multiple sections at once and insert them on a sheet. When changes are made to the models in the project, the generated section results based on these models become out of date. A yellow mark indicates that the sheet view is out of date, while a red mark indicates that the sheet view has an error. When you hover over the sheet view, a tooltip appears explaining its status. To update the drawings automatically, toggle on Auto Background Updating. Select a sheet and expand the Details section. Here, you will find the Sheet Properties and Sheet Custom Properties. These allow you to show and modify the properties of a sheet, such as the number and title. Right-clicking on a sheet or a subset will open a context menu. To open the sheet, choose the Open Sheet option or double-click on the sheet. The Files tab shows all the files that are located inside the projects folder on your machine and allows you to place all supported files on an active drawing by drag and drop. Right-clicking on a file will open a context menu allowing you to delete files, rename schedules, and so on, depending on the file type. For drawings, the first option in the right-click menu is Mark as Master Model, which makes the drawing a master drawing. By pressing the plus button, more options become available. You will learn more about these options in the following lessons.